Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Neha. Hi. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. So today it is our first lecture, the first lecture of the course, right? So first
Yeah.
of all, you tell me I have sent you some videos on WhatsApp. So did you get time to watch them?
That I have watched.
Okay. So were you able to understand something out of them? The pronunciation rules, ABCD, whatever. Okay. Yeah. So let's start now. I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see it on my phone, but I want it in my laptop. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I received your call on this phone, but I
Mm-hmm.
want it on the laptop. It will be a bigger screen too.
Mm-hmm. So are you not having laptop available right now?
No, I have laptop. I have but the thing is getting displayed on the phone. I want. Can you call back again and I'll try to receive on the laptop so that I
Sure,
can
sure,
see.
sure, sure. You turn off the data of your phone, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
Huh.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I,
Okay, yeah,
yes.
yeah. We can start now, right?
Huh. Hmm.
Yes. So I am playing one ABCD video. See, whenever we start with a new language, first of all, what we have to do, we have to understand its rules of pronunciation. Okay, so German, as you know,
Huh.
German is a European language, right? In all the European languages, we have the same ABCD, just like you have in English, the same ABCD and all
Okay.
that. But the point is that the pronunciation is not same. The pronunciation is very different as compared to English, right? So first of all,
Yeah.
what we will do, we will be learning some pronunciation rules. With that, you will see that you will be able to speak out any word in this new language, right? So before we start with
Okay.
the grammar, directly we'll not start with the grammar. First of all, we'll see the letters, we'll see the rules, we'll practice the pronunciation rules, and we'll practice like thousands of words we'll practice so that you become comfortable in reading out any word. Okay. So what
Okay.
I'm doing is, first of all, I'm playing the ABCD. You know, the as I told you, German also has the same ABCD which you have in English, right?
Huh.
But the names of
Huh.
letters are different. The names of letters are different. Example, in English, if I say A B C D E F G, in German it can be A B C D E F G, like that. Okay. You can turn off the video if you want. Video is not required. Okay. You can turn off the video if it is reducing your internet speed. And then see here, see my screen after that.
Huh. Yeah.
Yes, now it's better. Okay, I'm playing the video. Try to listen to it. I'm playing it twice. Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Yeah, once again, I'm playing it.
I could hear the voice, but the video was ABCD only. The video didn't change with the sequence of the song.
I think that might be a lag or internet problem. I'm playing it again. Listen to it now. Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Yeah. Okay. Were you
Yeah.
able to hear this time?
Huh.
Okay, good. I'm playing it one more time. Okay. Two times I'm playing. So listen to it again.
A B C D E F G H I Q-U-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W X Y und Z.
Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay, good. X, epsilon, und Z. So these are the German list of letters. Okay, these are the German list of letters which you have to understand. So let's compare them with English. Okay, let's compare them with English. In English we have A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. In German you have A B C D E F G. You have to repeat with me. A B C D.
AFG.
Yeah, repeat full. A B C D E F G. Repeat.
Say the AFG. Ha.
Yeah, wait. Let me speak first. Ha E Yot Ka.
Alumino Day.
You have to repeat Ha E Yot Ka. Whatever I am saying, that you have to repeat. Ha E Yot Ka.
Ha E Yotka.
LMNO P.
LMNO P.
Okay, once again. Ha E Yot Ka.
Ha E Yotka.
LMNO P.
Alumino P.
Q R S T.
QRST.
U Fau Ve.
UVW.
Yeah, Q R S T U Fau Ve. And then X, Epsilon und Z. Speak. X.
X, Y und Z.
Yeah, what I mean by und? Und means and. So if I say X, Y and Z, that becomes X, Epsilon und Z. Okay, X, Epsilon und Z, X, Y and Z. Yeah. So listen to this video once I'm playing it.
Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay, clear now? Right?
Yeah.
So that was the German list of letters which you have to learn. So I am sending you this video. No need to note down anything. You can take a printout later. Okay, I'm sending the video now. See, so far what we have done the rules of the letters. Right? We've just done the names of the letters. Clear? We've just done the names of the
Names.
letters. Now what you have to do, you have to understand their sounds. Example, if I write your name Neha, N-E-H-A. Okay, I call you as Neha. I don't call you N-E-H-A. Right? I call you Neha. I don't call you N-E-H-A. Why? Because N-E-H-A is the name of the letters of your name. Right? But the sound is Neha because when we are speaking, we are using the sounds. Okay? When we are using the sounds. So, for sounds, there are some set of rules which you have to understand. See my screen. So, German, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets. Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. So, we have two parts, vowels and consonants. We have two parts, vowels and consonants. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are your B, C, D till Z. Okay, consonants are B, C, D till Z. So see here, B, D, G, P, T, K. First of all, I am drawing one table. The table says B, D, G, P, T, K. That means in the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, right? In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, then respectively the sound will be pa, ta, and ka. The sound will be pa, ta, and ka. Of this B, D and G, the B, D, G letter will make pa, ta, and ka sound if it is coming in the end. Okay? Whenever B, D or G is coming in the end, the sound will be pa, ta, and ka. So if you see here, G, I, B, you can see B coming in the end. Okay? B coming in the end. So speak the example. Geep. Then next. Kint. Next. Tak. Very good. Geep, kint and tak. So B in the end, geep. Then D in the end is ta, kint. And then G in the end is ka, tak. Okay, Geep, Kint and Tak. Now after that we have the next letter, that is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay, A is having two sounds, A and A. A like Neha, A. Okay, and A like Raman, A. Like that. So two sounds are there, A and A. How will I decide? You have to count. You have to count the direct consonants. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z. These are called as consonants. So you have to count the direct consonants coming after that particular A. So if you see here A L T, tell me after A how many consonants?
2.
2. Then after A how many consonants?
After Fragan.
Yeah.
After a 1.
Only one. Directly I am asking. Directly only one. Okay. So we will not count this N. Directly only one. Then TRAGEN. After A how many?
1.
1. Good. So speak the example. After A, if direct consonant 1, then A sound, otherwise A sound. So second and third will be Fragan and Tragan. Right? Fragan and Tragan. And the first one will be, speak first,
Alt.
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 Alt. Okay. After A two consonant, that is the Alt sound. Okay. Then next is E. E is having the two sounds. E is having the two sounds. A. Okay. So E is having only one sound. That is the A sound. A. AY. A sound.
Okay.
Yeah. So speak the example here.
Asen.
SN. Next.
Eagle.
Egal. After A one consonant, na? Egal. Okay. SN and egal. Got it? SN and egal. Then next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Long E and short E. Same story. After I, you have to do the counting. If after I only one consonant, it will have the long E sound. Otherwise, it will have the short E sound. Okay? Long E and short E. So speak the example here.
Ist.
Ist. Then next.
Vidar.
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 Next.
Built.
Built. Ist,
Built.
vidar and built. Okay? Ist, vidar and built. After I one consonant, that's long E. Ist, then vidar and then built. Okay? Ist, vidar and built. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O is having two sounds. O is having two sounds. O and O. O for Korea and O for awesome. Right? O for Korea and O for awesome. So after A, if it is just one consonant, then after O, if it is just one consonant, that's the O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. O for awesome. So speak the example. First example. Speak.
Order.
Order. Next.
Order.
Hmm.
Sol.
Zol. Zol. Single S is Z. Okay.
Zol.
Single S is Z, double S is Z. This I will tell you in the consonant. See here. Single S is Z and double S is S. Double S is S sound. Single S is Z and double S is S. So that becomes Zol. Okay. That becomes Zol. Yeah. Next is, okay, speak the next example.
Monarch.
Monarch. Very good. After O1, after A1. Okay. So that's monarch. Next.
Corp.
Corp. Corp. Okay. After O two consonants and B in the end is per. That becomes corp. Right? And next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. Normal U. Neither it is short nor it is long. U is having the U sound, neither short nor long. So speak the example. Tun.
Tun.
Tun. Next.
Mutter.
Mutter. Next.
And shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Tun, mutter and shoe. Got it?
Shoe.
Tun, mutter and shoe. Simple. Tun, mutter and shoe.
Shoe.
Yes. SCH is a combination. Okay. SCH is a consonant combination. SCH sound is sh. SCH is a consonant combination. SCH sound is sh. SCH sound is sh. Correct. And H in the end is silent. Okay. H in the end is silent. H in the end is silent. So that becomes
Silent.
shoe. Yes. Let's move ahead. Let's start with the first consonant B. Okay. The first consonant B, if you remember, I gave you a table B, D, G, P, T, K. Okay. That B in the
Yeah.
end is per and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Yes. B in the end is per, beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Bro, it's not seen. Scroll the screen
I have
down.
scrolled. I have scrolled. Check it. Is it loading or not?
Hello. Yeah, I cannot see the screen for consonants B.
I have already scrolled up. I think some network connectivity issue at your end. If you want, I can send you the PDF. You can open the PDF at your end better.
Achha,
Okay. I have sent the PDF on your Skype chat. Come to a chat. You better open the PDF because you are attending from mobile, so might be some problem. Can you see now or no?
Uh, you call on the phone only. I think it will be easier. And switched off.
Should I call you on phone?
Yeah, I think it will be easier.
No, you
because-
open the PDF. I have sent you the PDF. Better open the PDF. Come to the Skype
Ah,
chat.
oh. Okay.
Okay. Better open the PDF. No need to scroll and all.
ABCD final or the pronunciation?
ABCD final, that is a video, right? Which I played. Leave that. Take the pronunciation part one.
Yeah.
Open the PDF file. Yeah. Open the PDF file. Come to the consonant.
Yes. Getting.
Come to page number 2. Yeah. Come to page number 2.
Page 2.
So B in the end is per, beginning or middle is B for Bombay. B in the end is per, beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example. First example. Belen. Next. Oben. Next. Corp. Next. Geep. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Then next is C. C is K. Okay. C is having the K sound. So speak the example of C. C is having the K sound. Speak the example.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Hello. C is having the K sound. Speak the example. Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
I can hear you. Hello. I can hear you. Hello. Are you able to hear me or not?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. So C is having the K sound. Okay. You can open the PDF. So speak the example.
Seek.
Example.
Camping.
Camping. Okay. It's an English word, so you can speak it like camping. Right?
Okay.
The next is D. D in the end is T. Okay. D in the end is T. So speak the example of D.
Beat.
D in the end is T. And beginning or middle is D for dog. Beginning or middle is D for dog.
Dog.
So speak the example.
Beat.
Doom. First is doom.
Acha. Doom. Yeah.
Next.
Next is beat.
Bider. See the example properly. Bider. Okay. Then next is weeder. I is E. Weeder.
Then
Bat. Next. Hunt. Bat and then hunt. Okay. Doom, bider, weeder, bat and hunt. Okay, got it? Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Fant.
That is EIDE. So EI, it becomes
EI
double
is I.
Y.
That's what I'm telling you. These are vowel combinations. So EI is I. Okay, EI sound is I and I is E. EI is
Acha.
having the I sound. EI is a combination. EI is having the I sound and IE is having the E sound.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so that becomes Doom, Bida, Vidar, Bart, and Hunt. Right? Then next is F. F is having the for sound for like football. F is having the for football sound. So speak the example.
Foul.
Foul. Next.
Sha. Sha.
Shaft. Foul and shaft. Next.
Sha. Gain. G.
Foul and shaft. Next is G. So G in the end is K. From the table BDG PTK, G in the end is K, and beginning or middle is G for gun. G in the end is K, beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak the example.
Gain.
Gegen.
Gain.
Next.
Tak.
Tak. Next.
Kluk.
Kluk. Gegen. Tak and Kluk. Yes. Gegen, Tak and Kluk.
Kluk.
Okay. Got it now? Gegen,
Yeah.
Tak and Kluk. Good. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. H in the beginning is her. Middle or end it is silent. H in the beginning is her. Middle or end it is silent. So speak the example.
Han.
Halt. Next.
Gay.
Gayan. Next.
Gain.
Yeah.
Sayan.
Zayan. Halt, Gayan and Zayan.
Say.
Okay. Halt, Gayan and Zayan.
Zayan.
Simple. Next is J. J is having the ya sound. Okay. J is having the ya sound. Speak the example.
Jung.
Yunga. Yunga.
Junga.
Next is KLMNP. KLMNP. Okay. KLMNP. So speak the example. Cluster.
Sir.
Next.
Chicken.
Chicken. Next.
Keller.
Keller. Next.
Will.
Will. Next.
Utmer.
Atman. Atman. AT. Atman.
Acha.
Next.
Swim.
Swim. Next.
Ren.
Rennen. Rennen.
Rennen.
Next.
Brown.
Brown. Next.
Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. KLMNP. Right. So we have done the letters from A till P first of all.
Okay.
Okay. So you have the PDF with you, right?
Yeah.
For 5 to 7 minutes, you have to go through this PDF completely from A till P properly. At least 2 to 3 times, and then after 7 to 8 minutes, we will start again, and then you have to explain me the rule as well as the example.
Acha.
Okay? You have to explain me the rule as well as the example. So go through it. I'll ping you in 5 to 7 minutes again, and then you will start from the top. You will explain me the rule as well as the example after 5 to 7 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, go through it. Let me know whatever doubts you have. We'll discuss them together in the end. And after that, you will explain me whatever we have done from A till P with the example as well as the rule. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. A, E, I, O, U, and then the consonants from B till P.
A is coming directly before the single consonant. Double consonant. O. O. Double consonant. A. A is pronunciation. A is a guide. I is coming directly before single consonant. It is long. Then is coming double consonant. It's short, opposite to A.
Yeah, ready now?
I was able to revise only 3 I's.
Okay. Take 5 more minutes, revise them again, okay? From I till P.
Yeah.
Yeah, till where you have done?
U.
Okay. Okay, yeah, let's start from A, E, I, O, U. Then you revise the consonant. So first of all, explain me the table and the 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, their rule and the sound. Start.
The alphabets are divided into vowels and consonants.
Hmm.
If the last word is B, D, or G, then B is replaced by P at the end. For example, give, it becomes give, and if P is there, then it is replaced by T. Kind is replaced by kin, and G is replaced by k. That is tag. The tag becomes tag. Then vowels. If there is one consonant, then A becomes A. If there is two consonant, then A
Hmm.
becomes example.
Sound of A, not A becomes. You should say sound of A becomes. Okay. The sound becomes A and A. Yeah.
Huh.
Hmm.
ALT has two consonants, so it is alt.
Hmm.
And FRAG has one consonant, so it is frager.
Hmm.
Then again one consonant, so tragon.
Next. Correct. E.
E is said as the sound of E is A. A. So pay, say. So in E double S E N, ASN,
SN.
and in
Correct.
SN,
Hmm.
and EGAL, it is egal.
Egal. Next.
Egal. Then similarly, if there is single consonant, it is long E, and it is double consonant, it is a short
Yeah.
E.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. It's not clear. Long E and short E. Speak again. I is having two sounds. Yeah. Now I can hear. Hmm.
Okay. If single consonant is there, it is long E. If double consonant is there, it is short E.
Hmm.
Example, in ist,
Hmm.
double is there, so ist. In
Is
WID, that is single consonant, so it is vidar.
Vidar and built. Okay.
Build.
Ist.
Build also is build.
Vidar and built. Okay. Next is O. Speak the rule of O.
O, if it is pronounced as O in Korea or awesome. Then single consonant, it is like Korea O, and then double consonant, it is like awesome. See, so in odor, it is single consonant, so it becomes odor, and sol, double consonant, so it becomes zol.
Yeah. Next.
Next, monad, single consonant, so it becomes monad, double consonant, kor.
Kor. Monad and kor. Next is U. Speak the rule of U.
It is pronounced as single as and double S is sa.
Okay. U.
Then
U. No, yeah. S is single S is Z. Double S is Sa. Now tell me for U. For U.
It is pronounced as who,
U.
like in. So T becomes TUN becomes tune,
Tun.
and mutter, that is who, and SCHUH, that is shoe.
SCH is Sh. Okay. And H in the end is silent. Yeah. Now take 5-7 minutes. Revise the consonant from B till P. Okay. Properly with the rule and the example, and then you will explain me after that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Start from B now. Speak the first consonant.
B. Yeah, okay. If B comes anywhere in the letter except the end, it is called it has a sound of B, and if it comes at the end, it is pronounced as P.
P. Yeah. Example. Example.
Then it is in the beginning. Then Oben,
Hmm.
Oben.
Hmm.
First example, Belen. It begins with B, so B sound. Second, in the Oben, it comes at the second, so B sound. Then Kor, it comes at the end, so P sound, Kor. And Gib, it comes at the end, so Gib, the first sound.
Give. Next C. C is the example. Speak the example of C.
C, it becomes it gives a K sound as in kite.
Hmm.
So camping is like the English word camping only, and
Next D.
D is pronounced as D anywhere, but in the end it becomes T. It is pronounced as T. So doom
Hmm.
for DUMM, and if there is EI, it gives a A sound, and if there is
I.
IE,
EI is I. EI is I is E. Okay.
acha.
EI is I is E. So speak the example.
Bede,
Dum, Bida, not Bede, it's Bida, Bida.
Baida,
Hmm.
and Bidan.
Bidar, next.
Bitter. Then B at the end gives T sound, so Bat and Han.
Yeah, Bidar, Bart and Hunt.
Han.
Okay. Next, after D, next is F. So speak the example of F.
F is foul,
Hmm.
first sound, football, and
Yeah.
SCH gives a sh sound, like sheep, a
Yeah,
shark.
yeah, shaft. Okay. As it is having the sh sound, that becomes shaft.
Sheep.
Next is G.
Shark.
G in the end is ka, beginning or middle is ga for gun. G in the end is ka, beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gun. Gegen,
Hmm.
Tag,
Yeah.
Clue.
Gegen, Tag and Klug. Correct. Next H. H in the
H.
beginning is her. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah. H in the beginning is her.
S is silent.
And middle or end it is everywhere silent. So speak the example.
Halt,
Hmm.
gain, Zain.
Gain, Halt, Gain
Zain.
and Zain. Okay. Halt, Gain and Zain. Correct. After that, next is J. J is having the ya sound. So speak the example of J.
Yunga,
Yunga. Next.
K is Ka, and L, M, N, O, N, and T is Pay.
Pa. Same sound like English. So classa, chicken.
Nasa, Chicken,
Hmm.
Keller, Bill,
Hmm.
Atman, Shrimp,
Hmm.
Rennet, Brown, Lippa.
Leppa. KLMN till P. Okay.
Huh.
KLMN till P. Okay. Now let's move ahead of P. So I'm sending you the second file first. I'm sending you the second file of pronunciation that starts from Q. So you can open the file or you can see my screen. I have sent. Okay.
Yeah.
I've already sent the file. So see here, Q is the next letter. Q always comes with U in German. Okay? Q always comes with U and the QU sound is qua. QU sound is qua. So speak the example.
Square.
Square. Next.
Square.
Next
Next
is
is
R.
R. Huh?
So R in German always comes as a guttural R. R. Something like mix of ra and her. Okay, ra.
Okay.
That is called as guttural. Guttural means something coming from inside of the neck. Ra, like this. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, speak the example first. Riser.
Riser.
Then?
Riser.
Then Bruder and Schwester.
Breather and Schwester.
Yeah. Bruder and Schwester. R is different and then S is different. Bruder and Schwester.
Huh.
Okay, simple. R. Then
Yeah.
next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Single S is double S is So speak the example.
Singen,
Hmm.
Losh,
Yeah, that's it. Next is T. T is T for tomato. T is T for tomato. So speak the example of T.
Duncan,
Hmm.
Ratin, Ratri,
Tanken and Rattan.
Ratin.
Okay, Tanken and Rattan. Correct. So now you download the second file, revise the letters till T first. Then we
Okay.
take the last 5. Okay, V, W, X, Y, Z. That will take after that. So first read the letters from this. Read till T.
Okay.
Yeah, ready now? Read till T.
Q. Can you please repeat what you said about Q, because I'm not able to understand.
Q always comes with U, okay? Q always comes with U, and QU sound is quer. QU sound is quer. So speak the example of QU, quer.
Square.
Yeah. Next after that Q.
Then,
Next is R.
R is generally is pronounced with H, so it is R.
R. Okay.
R, and
Yeah.
it is example is Rise
Hmm.
and Bruder, Schwester.
Correct.
Then S, if it is single, it is the, and if it is double, it is Zingen and Schloss.
Correct.
Then T, Duncan and Ratin.
Tangen and Rattan. Next is V and W. V is fur. V sound is fur. Okay. V is having the fur sound. Fur like football. So V is having the fur sound. W is having the ver sound. Ver. Okay. V is having the fur sound. W is having the ver sound. Example Volkswagen.
Okay.
Example is Volkswagen. Correct. V is fur. W is fur. So speak the example.
Volkswagen.
Another example. Feel.
Feel.
Next.
For.
Next.
Wasser. Vegan.
Yeah.
Where.
Field for Wasser, vegan, and then next is Wo. Okay. Field for Wasser, vegan, and Wo. Okay, clear? Next is X. X is X only. Okay. X is X only, just like in English you have X is X only. So the example is X Strahlen. Example is X Strahlen. X Strahlen. Okay. X Strahlen. That's the example. So speak the example. X Strahlen.
Extralen.
Correct. Next is Y. Y comes with Y is having the sound of we. Y is having the sound of we. Example trip. Example trip. Yeah. Trip. And then last is Z. Z is having the TS sound. Z is having the TS sound, mix of tha and sa. Z is having the sound, mix of tha and sa. So speak the example. Sight and soup.
Sight and soup.
Sight and soup. Yeah, Z is having the TS sound. So that becomes sight and soup.
Soup.
Okay? What
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. W, X, Y, Z. So now you revise this PDF again. Okay, if possible, revise again from Q till Z. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Revise it once again from Q till Z.
Hmm.
Start from T.
T.
Hmm. Okay. Start from Q. Start from Q better. Okay.
Okay. Q generally comes with U, so it gives the vowel sound. And then R, it is pronounced as it is, as if it is coming with H, so it is R. Example: rise, bruter, Schwester.
Hmm.
Then next
Next
three.
S.
Then S is the, single S is the, double S is the,
Hmm.
Zingen, Schloss, and T is Tanken, and Raten.
Hmm.
Then B gives a football F for sound. So Volkswagen is the
Volkswagen.
example where
V is
B is
W and
replaced
W is
as
V. Yeah, V is inside. So V is
first
the
sound.
first sound and W is the first sound. So take the example Volkswagen.
Ha.
Okay. Next
And
is X Y Z. X is X.
X
Yeah.
is
Mm.
your screen is not scrolling.
Yeah, yeah. So X is Strahlen. Speak the example. X
Strahlen. Strahlen.
Next is Y. Y is UI. Y is UI. So speak the example.
Sweep.
Quick. Next is Z. Z is mix of ta and sa. Speak the example.
It's the TS sound. See, soup and the Swiss. What?
Sight and
Fifth.
soup. Sight and soup. That is having two sounds.
Sight
Mix of ta and sa.
Sight
That
and
becomes
soup.
sight and soup.
Sight and soup.
Okay, clear? Now do one thing. Revise the two PDFs which I have sent you just now from A, E, I, O, U till Z. So revise them first. Okay. All
Okay.
the both the PDFs you revise them first properly.
Hmm.
From A till Z. Okay.
Okay.
Repeat the sounds of vowels. Okay. Sounds of vowels. Repeat them from A, E, I, O, U. Repeat them once again.
A becomes A when it is coming before single consonant, and it becomes when it comes after double consonant. For example, a double
When it
consonant
comes,
alt, it
no,
becomes
wait,
alt.
when it comes before double consonant, not after.
Huh,
Okay.
before double consonant.
Yeah.
Before, for example, alt, it double consonant is there, so it becomes alt, and dragon, one consonant is there, so it becomes a dragon, and dragon, one consonant is there, so it is a dragon.
Then
Then
E.
E is pronounced as A, so Asen, Egal, and
I.
becomes E, long E before single consonant, and short E before double consonant. So Ist, two consonants, so Ist is short, and Vidar is short, and Bill, it is again double consonant, so short.
Ist, Wieder, and Built. Next is O.
Yeah.
Okay.
O,
Yeah.
O is Korea, as in before single consonant it is O in Korea, and before double consonant it is
Of or
like in
awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So Oder and Zol, Mona, and Kor.
Correct. Next is U. Speak the example of U.
Wool, U is pronounced as
U.
wool,
U.
and
Not wool. Not wool. That's the example of U sound. Okay. Simple say U pronounce as U. U sound. Simple U.
so it tool, motor, shoe. Examples. Then H, if it is in the beginning, it becomes her, and if it is at the end, it becomes silent.
Silent. Okay. Yeah, I think remaining you know from B, C, D till Z, that much you can do. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So today what we'll be doing, see, first of all, I have sent you this PDF, right? Okay, I've sent you this PDF. You have to revise all the rules till Z. Okay.
Okay.
You have to do the revision of all the rules till Z, and you have to do the revision 3 to 4 times properly. Right?
Okay.
And then if you see, I am giving you one homework. If you see the second file, part 2, in the second file, you are having there are some words written on page number 3 and 4. Only that much you have to read. Only 3 and 4, not 5 and 6. Okay? Only 3 and 4, there are some words written in blue color and green color, and in the red color, their meaning is written. So, meaning you can leave. Okay? Right now, no need to read the meaning. Just try to pronounce these blue color words as a homework after the class. Okay? At your home, you solve down these words. Solve down means that you have to just solve their pronunciation. Right? You have to just solve their pronunciation, and then wherever you have a doubt, just make a note. In the next lecture, we'll be discussing that. Okay? So this pronunciation topic will end by next lecture. There are some more topics are remaining right now. Some umlaut letters, some vowel combinations, many 2-3 topics are there. So once we practice these words, once we revise all the rules, and then we'll take all those topics in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Right?
I have to, a consonant combination, this I have to do, and after that, page starting with Berlin, and then party page.
Yes, correct. Okay, then the party page. Right?
Good.
So do that much. Yeah? Only page number 3 and 4. Today we'll do till here, right? Just give me 1 minute. Let me close this.